Hey Treviso Bay fans, Roberto Lee here again at Treviso Bay, and today we're going to preview our new listing. This is Giaveno Unit 1525. This is an Antonia floor plan. This owner has really turned this condo into a model style unit. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,200 square foot. As you come in to the right side, you have a little eating kitchen area right here. And that overlooks the kitchen here. You've got stainless appliances, granite countertops, nice sized pantry right there. And that overlooks the great room. Here you can see all the additional trim work and designer features that were added to the entryway. As we come into the unit, on the left side here is the guest bedroom. It's got the nice decorative shelf built in directly behind the headboard there. Then you've got the guest bath here. One of the unique things about the guest bath in the Antonia floor plan is the laundry is located right behind these doors. It's a full washer and dryer. And then coming back out into the main area, this opens up to your dining space and your living spaces. Again, all this beautiful trimmed out walls, made really to look like a model. They've done a great job here with this unit. This one comes also with a full golf membership to TPC Treviso Bay. Again, all this trim work, the floating TV stand, everything here was added on by the owner. Now, towards the back of the unit, you have the master suite. Again, all that trim work on the ceiling there to make it look like a model. This overlooks the views in the back. You've got the his and hers closets. And then you've got the master bath here with your commode. There's a linen closet and single sink, and then you have the standalone shower. And last but not least, we have the view here from the lanai. It's a beautiful preserved view of the Rookery Bay. And beyond the Rookery Bay, if we just took a walk straight out, you would just walk right into the Gulf of Mexico. That's how close it is. Get nice breezes from this lanai at night. All right, gang, that's it. This is our new listing here in Treviso Bay. It's Giaveno Unit 1525. It's available now for sale. If you're interested in this unit, you can give us a call at 239-671-4046. You can also email us, Roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.